Welcome to the Chapter 10 content. You see the title of the book chapter is called Questionnaire Design. Just want to let you know that when I use the phrase survey, it means the same thing as a questionnaire. We can use those terms interchangeably, and I'll probably refer to a survey more frequently than I will to a questionnaire. So a key question to start out this discussion is, what is a survey? What really does that mean? I'm sure you've all completed surveys, but really it's a tool that we use to learn from a population of interest. It's a method that we use to get knowledge and information, opinions, ideas, whatever the case might be, in an easily formatted way for someone to tell us what they're feeling and thinking about an issue. So we'll spend a lot of time in class talking about the types of questions to use, what should we have on our survey, how to phrase those questions, where and when to place them on the survey. We'll talk about the flow, the visual layout. All of those kinds of things are very important. Now sometimes people think that it's quite easy to create a survey. You just come up with some questions and put them on the paper, but it takes a tremendous amount of attention to detail, skill, and lots of practice to really get good at questionnaire or survey design. So in this chapter, we'll talk a lot about some of the techniques that you can use. We will start out, I'll introduce a homework assignment that's linked to Question Pro, the electronic survey tool that we have available for us in class. I want you to get some exposure and experience using a tool like that. We'll talk about the 10-step process that the authors suggest you go through when creating a survey, and then we'll also spend quite a bit of time in your groups giving you some hands-on practice creating questions and thinking about how it might flow from your survey. So in this chapter we'll have quite a bit of group time to cover those kinds of things. So it's real important that you attend class or your group has a productive time in class to start working on the survey. And you can get quite a bit of your survey done through these in-class times. So I will see you in class and we will talk more about survey design.